Posting to Facebook or Instagram isn't as difficult as it seems. All you really need to get started is a computer or a cell phone. Start by clicking the plus sign on the top right corner and select an image to post. No selfies here today. We're actually going to be posting a car detailing image. But I mean, if you're feeling a selfie, go for it. So now that we've selected our image, we want to hit next. You can apply a filter if you want. A filter just changes the look of your picture, but I'm going to keep it original today. Once you're happy with your image, you're going to want to hit next, and now it's time to create a caption. I'm not too sure what to write, so I'm actually going to refer back to my social media calendar just to see what the suggestion is. I think I'm going to use it. We're just going to copy, and with the magic of technology, we're going to paste it right in there. Wonderful. Wait a second, now I need hashtags. Well, thank goodness for the social media content calendar, because now I can just copy and paste those in too. That was too easy. All I have to do now is just customize this one hashtag to make sure it says my city. And you know what? I think I'm gonna add my location too, so that way everyone in my city has the ability to see my post. I got an image, a caption, and a hashtag. Now I'm ready to hit share. Ta-da! Thanks to our social media content subscription calendar, social media has never been easier. Not sure what caption or what hashtag to use? No worries, we got you covered. We've laid out all the details you need to post every single day this month, not only with great content, but with content that your customers will appreciate and see as value. Our goal when creating this content is to keep your customers coming back for more. And the best part about our subscription calendars is that it's a one-size-fits-all, which means you can post to Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or LinkedIn using our content. We know you're busy running a business. That's why we've done all the heavy lifting for you. All you need to remember are the 3 P's. First, you select your picture. Then you paste in your captions and your hashtags. And once you're done customizing the content to cater specifically to your business, all that's left to do is hit post. Interested in learning more? Head over to our website, autoplusperformance.com, to check out all of our provided services.